Hello everyone! Welcome to this video where I'll guide you step by step on how to pay your suppliers in China using World First. This is the easiest, most secure, and cost-effective way to transfer money directly to your suppliers in China, all done legally and by yourself without needing any agents or third parties. By using this method, you can avoid scams and enjoy peace of mind knowing your payments are safe and efficient. So let's get started and make your transactions smoother than ever. First, let's start with an introduction to World First and its role in the financial world. World First is a company under Ant Group, which is also part of Alibaba. Although they belong to the same group, World First specializes in finance. Its main function is to help customers, especially foreigners, pay suppliers directly. This includes suppliers on 1688 and others in China, making it easy for global users. World First offers a payment solution called Cross-Border Pay, or KJB. Okay, let's take a closer look at how it all works. Here's a quick overview with some steps to follow. Step 1. Transfer money from your local bank account into your World First account. You can use services like wise.com to easily transfer money into your World First account. Once your World First account has funds, you're ready to connect it with 1688. The next step is to verify and link your World First account to 1688 for smooth payment processing. Once linked, you can use the cross-border pay function to complete your orders on 1688. The system will automatically deduct money from your World First account. It's fast, secure, and convenient. And that's it. The whole process is simple, efficient, and well worth it. Or if you just want to transfer money to other suppliers outside of 1688, you can do that as well. Now, let's move on to registering your account with World First. Before we get started, please make sure you have the following to hand: your company's basic information, business name, or you can use your name, website URL, optional, and trading address. A valid form of ID, e.g. your ID, driving license or passport, your mobile phone, access to your emails. First, select the country or region where your business is registered using the drop-down list. First, choose your country from the options provided and click Continue. Next, enter your email address and click the Send Code button. Once you've entered your email, the system will send you a verification code. In the email address you entered, copy the code you received and paste it directly into the verification field. After that, create a password for logging into your World First account. Don't forget to check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then press Create Account. Next, you'll need to enter your mobile phone number and press Send Code. World First will send a 6-digit code via SMS to your phone. Enter the code into the provided field and press Confirm. You'll now be asked to select one of two options: company or sole proprietor. Unfortunately, the individual option isn't available, as World First only works with legal entities. If you don't have a registered company, don't worry. Simply select sole proprietor and press Create Account. After that, you'll be prompted with a question about your business. If you don't have a company, choose No and press Next. On the next page, you'll need to fill in some details about your business. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just select the options that are most relevant to you and press Next. Now, enter the name of your business. If you don't have a business name, you can use your real name or even a nickname. If you don't have a website, select No and press Next. If you do, enter your website details. Next, you'll need to enter your real address. Make sure this is accurate, as it will be used for verification purposes. Once that's done, press Next. You'll then move on to the mobile phone verification step. On the next page, a QR code will appear. Prepare your mobile phone and scan the QR code. After scanning, a link will pop up on your phone to guide you through the next steps. Follow the instructions to scan both the front and back of your ID card. Ensure the images are clear and follow each step carefully. After completing the scan, return to the World First website. You'll see a confirmation message that says Identity Verified Successfully. The website will then display all the details from your ID, including your first name, last name, and ID number. Check all the information carefully to ensure everything is correct. If it's accurate, press Submit. It will take approximately 1 to 2 days for your account to be fully verified. Congratulations! You now have a World First account. Once your account is activated, the next step is to open a receiving account in your World First account. This will allow you to receive funds and send payments to your suppliers. A receiving account is a set of bank account details in your name that allows you to collect bank transfers in one or multiple currencies. By providing your payers with the account details, your payers will be able to make bank transfers to you, and the funds will be reflected in your World Account balance. As of May 2024, with the World Account, you'll be able to open receiving accounts in the following currencies: USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, HKD, JPY, SGD, NZD, CNH, AED, PLN, CHF, SEK, MXN, CZK, TRY, ILS, ZAR, SAR, THB, non-Thailand users only, and MYR. The currency supported is subject to where you're registered. You can open up to 14 receiving accounts in any currency denomination we offer. If you need additional receiving accounts, please contact your relationship manager. Open a receiving account. In your World Account dashboard, go to the Collection tab. Then click on Manage Accounts and add a new receiving account. You can then select the currency of your receiving account. Once the account is set up, you can click on Details to get the account details. Now you can transfer fund to your World First account, and next you have to add payee for receive your payments. With the World account, you can make payments to the CNH offshore CNY bank accounts of your suppliers in mainland China, but not directly to their CNY accounts in mainland China. Per regulations in China, for foreign exchange and cross-border fund settlements, the domestic fund recipient, who must be a citizen of the People's Republic of China, will need to make declarations with relevant documents to local authorities. Therefore, it would be incumbent on your mainland China recipient to settle funds into a domestic mainland China account. To make transfers to your mainland China supplier's CNH account, you'll need to add your supplier's account as a payee. Go to Payees tab and click on Add a new payee on the top right corner. Select Add a single payee. In the next screen, select Third-party account. Then select Personal or Corporate account based on the nature of your payee's account. Select CNH as the receiving currency and enter your payee's account details. Next, select the nature of services that your supplier provided. After completing an AUTHI or SMS verification, you'll have added the account as a payee. To make a payment, go to Payments and Send and Withdraw. On the next page, select the purpose of payment according to the nature of trade between you and your supplier. Next, enter the amount you'd like to transfer to the recipient. You can choose whether to send the payment right away or schedule it for a future date. By clicking Next and completing Verification, you'll have booked a transfer to your supplier. Congratulations! You've successfully completed payments to your supplier in China.